I searched how to buy shares of Mitsubishi UFJ Financial Group, Inc-ADR, to demonstrate the process. Mitsubishi UFJ Financial Group is a major Japanese bank with ADRs trading on NASDAQ under the ticker MUFG, and this video is for educational purposes only. You need a broker to buy this stock, and I'll use eToro as an example to show the steps. After registering, you must verify your account, usually with an ID document, and add funds before you can place a buy order. Use the platform search bar and type the ticker MUFG to find the listing. Select the matching Mitsubishi UFJ Financial Group, Inc-ADR result to open the asset page. On the asset page, you will see basic company information and a price chart to review recent movements. Confirm the NASDAQ listing and the MUFG ticker to make sure it's the correct stock. Click Invest or Buy, choose the amount you want to enter, and carefully review the order details before confirming. If the market is closed, your order may be set as pending, and if you don't have enough funds, the platform will prompt you to add money before it completes. After the order executes, your position will appear in your portfolio. A link to eToro is available in the description if you want to follow the same steps shown.